Hello and welcome to the concluding part of finding the source of the Mary River. In this fourth and final part, we are here today at the mouth of the Mary River where it all began. In the previous three parts, we flew from here 250 kilometres all the way up the river to where it began its journey at the top of a hill, or a range really, a spring-fed dam. Go and have a look at those videos if you haven't already seen them. There's three parts as I fly all the way up, all 250 kilometres. Now today we're going to be going from here to the other end right now on the ground and looking at the dam and how this river starts. What does it look like on the ground? We also got some aerial drone footage as well to show you a little bit more from the air and how it goes down the hill, and the start of the flow of the Mary River begins its journey all the way to this point into the sandy straits in Hervey Bay. I'm currently at River Heads and this is the mouth of the Mary River.
Maryborough traffic, microlight 6340, turns base, full stop, 17 Maryborough.
Well, I'm just back from another mission. Why don't you come and join me now and watch what we've been up to. Enjoy this adventure. And maybe after you've watched this one, you might want to watch one of the other more than 300 videos on the channel regarding aviation and flying adventures with Crayonbox. Well, here we are on the top of a hill overlooking the Mary Valley direction. We've got Mullaney over to our left-hand side. This is the vicinity of the start of the Mary River. We are really close by where the property is, where I believe the Mary River starts from a spring. As you can see, our elevation is very high, and you wonder how can water start flowing. Well, obviously it's a spring of some sort. And I've also just heard that there are possibly two other rivers that are fed from the same area here. So there's obviously quite a lot of water being produced from a spring. I mean, obviously the rivers are not just from the spring, they have a lot of tributaries that come into them. But yeah, we are just here by coincidence today in the area, and I thought I'd come up and have a look at the property where the Mary River looks like it starts from, and we'll get some ground shots.